Hey, Santo coming in from Chirco Performance in Tucson, Arizona. I just want to give you guys a little bit of information on the engines that we build here in-house for over 42 years. A lot of people may have heard the term long block and don't know what that is. That's this one right here, which is basically just from valve cover to valve cover. So the motor is built ready to rock, and if you have your own sheet metal and you want to save some money and you feel like doing it yourself, this is a great option for guys who like to do that. And we build these long blocks any size you guys want. Just give us a call. Our phone number will be in the description. And another term you guys might have heard is a turnkey. This is one of our turnkeys. This one happens to be a 1915cc turnkey that we build here all the time. This is our most common performance motor that we build. This one's got dual 40 HPMX carbs on it. For our turnkey, you get the option, you get magnesium or aluminum case. We've been using a lot of the magnesium cases. And you also get to choose chrome or black sheet metal. Once we finish building your new engine in the engine room, we take it out to the shop and break it in properly. So once you receive the motor, all you have to do is plug and play and it's ready to roll. A lot of the add-ons our customers do is an exhaust because our turnkeys do not come with exhaust and a new clutch. A little bit about us is we build one engine at a time. It's not an assembly line. There's no guesswork. It's all pure precision. And here's one of our other turnkey options. This one is a 1776. It's got dual 40 HPMX carbs on it. It's a very good, reliable motor. So if you're looking for something a little more powerful than a 1600, but not yet a 1915, this is the happy medium. You got to get the 1776. Our engines are currently 3 to 4 weeks out, but sometimes it's longer than that. So if you're thinking about it, I would recommend now to get it as fast as possible. Let us know in the comments what engine you're going with, and all of our information is here on the screen if you want to check us out, Chirco.com. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to help the channel out.